I've made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing with a few different platforms online, and I'm going to show you the formula for making your first few bucks with affiliate marketing without spending a single dollar on paid ads. A side hustle income, a part-time income, or even a full-time income that allows you to quit your job, travel the world, and live a life of freedom like I've done. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will not be telling you what affiliates you should promote because that's literally a conflict of interest. I've seen people teach affiliate marketing and recommend what affiliates they should go with because they make a commission out of it. But if you want to partner with any of these affiliates that I'm going to mention, go ahead and look them up on Google and check if they have an affiliate program. So by the end of the video, I'll have shared my entire blueprint on how I obtained financial, location, and time freedom by treating affiliate marketing like a real business. And if you follow these steps within just 30 days, you'll have a content funnel system that creates high converting affiliate content and transforms you into a profitable affiliate marketer with an engaged audience and automated content creation process. But before I share the formula, let's talk about why you're probably not getting these results from affiliate marketing already. Because after all, most people who try business in general do not get results. And one of the biggest reasons is because they don't know how to model success. They've never been around someone who is running a successful business like that. They watch people online and they see them running a successful business, but it's a completely different thing actually being around somebody, interacting with them live, and seeing how they operate. And because of that, I have a free live workshop this Tuesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What's up, guys? In the editing process right now, and I just wanted to mention that if you're struggling to grow on YouTube, you're having trouble getting views, subscribers, making money, or even picking a niche, etc., I'm hosting a free one-time live workshop that goes over how to help with that, called Why YouTube is the Greatest Business to Start in 2026. Make sure to click the link in the description now or the pinned comment below in order to lock your spot in. If you attend live, you'll also have a chance to be the one person I pick for a real-time channel audit once we move into the interactive portion of the workshop. So if you're not sure what niche to choose, or you feel like the niche you're currently in may not be profitable or targeted enough, then this is going to be for you, because at this workshop, I'll be giving away the 60-second Niche Validator 2.2 completely free. This is the newest version of my GPT-powered niche validation tool that helps you instantly test and uncover profitable YouTube niches before you waste time creating content that doesn't convert. It's been refined and updated based on real channel data, and I'll be giving it away completely free, but only during this live workshop. And just a quick heads up, I'll be turning this into a full software product soon, so this version may not be available free for much longer. So if you've been waiting to get it, this is a good time to do it now. Now, during this workshop, there's a full presentation on how to grow on YouTube, followed by a Q&A where you can ask me literally any question you want directly on Zoom. And people ask a lot of questions. The majority of the time, it's about stuff like how to pick your niche, and many people walk away with clarity on their niche during the session. And the same strategies I teach in these sessions are the ones that help clients such as Josh, who scaled from 1K a month to 186K per month, Alex, who built up to 15K per month, and Sean, who went from 30K a month all the way up to a high of over $500,000 a month. And even people who weren't clients like Isaiah were able to make $20,000 in a single month just from attending my live and applying what I taught there. So do not miss this live workshop. Click the link in the description of the pinned comment to register, and then add it to your calendar so you don't miss the chance to grab the 60-second Niche Validator 2.2. If you miss this date, check the link to see the next scheduled workshop if we're going to do another one, and I'll see you Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now back to the video. Okay, so first let's talk about pain points and struggles. Because over the years of helping people achieve financial freedom through building actually profitable affiliate marketing businesses, I found 3 factors that basically hold aspiring affiliate marketers back. 1 is they spend too much money on paid ads that don't convert. 2 is they end up promoting the wrong products or choosing the wrong platform. And 3 is they're not consistent. They're not taking enough action or even creating content to promote the products. And let me guess, the fact that you're watching this video also means you're likely struggling with one or more of these challenges. Constant overthinking, for instance, makes affiliate marketing feel overwhelming. You don't know the best products or platforms to promote on, and creating content and finding your audience takes a long time, but finding reliable information that actually works seems impossible. Or maybe you're stuck not taking action, wasting time, or waiting on the perfect moment, or the next big affiliate opportunity to come along. Well, sorry to break it to you, but miracles like making hundreds or thousands or millions of dollars overnight without putting in the work simply don't exist. You just have to get started and put in the reps and make sure to get your content out there. And that's the only way you will improve. But what also sucks is that alongside these challenges, many affiliate marketing gurus are not giving you the full truth. For example, you may have heard that paid ads are the only way to scale, even though most beginners lose money on ads before they understand conversion optimization. Because if you understand how ads work, you're competing against a bunch of other people that are really good at marketing, and you only get a percentage of the affiliate commission, whereas they might be selling their own products, so their margins are much higher. Now, why is this important? Because burning through your budget on ads that don't convert will put you out of business before you even get started. Or perhaps you've heard that you need to promote everything to everyone, but then no one has told you that this approach makes it impossible to build trust and authority in any specific niche. And too many affiliate marketers set their businesses up in a way that they will never have a sustainable income when they scale. And they've made it incredibly dependent on paid traffic that can disappear overnight. No, seriously, these platforms change all the time. What worked even 2 or 3 years ago with ads doesn't work now, and what's working now probably won't work 2 to 3 years from now. So you're constantly having to reinvent yourself. And yet these are the same people that are offering you advice. In my opinion, what separates those who make it from those who don't is their approach. Simply put, do they treat affiliate marketing like a business or a get-rich-quick scheme? Being unable to take the entrepreneurial approach will result in you burning out and losing money. So you must build a system that creates organic content and a sustainable income. A system that makes future promotions easier and more profitable. Now, imagine a system that creates organic traffic without paid ads. It handles 95% of content creation for you. It builds trust and authority in your niche, and it can make you over $10,000 a month in profit, not revenue, consistently. Would that change your life? Well, it certainly did for me. Through years of trial and error, meeting mentors, obsessing over affiliate marketing, and experimenting with different platforms, niches, and products, I built my current affiliate business to over 6 figures per month. But more importantly, I learned these 5 things. Traffic ain't cash. You need to know not only how to get visitors, but to convert them into buyers. Now, don't get me wrong, traffic is the most important thing. If you don't have traffic, you don't have anyone to sell to, but you need to know how to convert them. And building an affiliate marketing business is just like building any business. You need to learn how to be profitable and maximize conversions even with just a small audience. And going viral and getting random traffic is irrelevant. Stop trying to compete for random eyeballs. Instead, go for the low-hanging fruit, searchable content within profitable niches. These are known as buyer intent keywords. Here, the audience is more targeted and ready to purchase, so you don't need a ton of traffic to make serious money. And if you want to scale, you need to set up a high-quality content system that does 95% of the work and creates consistent organic traffic. And finally, having viral content isn't the main focus. The real goal is creating content that gets consistent targeted traffic and converts visitors into buyers. You want each piece of content to behave like a salesperson that goes out, tracks qualified prospects, and makes you money every single day for years. And what's crazy is before I learned these lessons, I was a pharmacist that had over $300,000 in student loan debt. And I tried business after business after business, and I just couldn't break through. I got a tiny little bit of success here. I'd make sales here and there, but nothing ever stuck. And one of the biggest reasons is when you start most businesses, you have to wear so many different hats. You have to generate traffic, then you have to generate leads, then you have to do the marketing, then you have to do the sales, then you have to actually create the product or the service, and then you have to do the delivery, you have to do the customer service, and take care of all the back-end stuff. It's just too much for one person to do. But affiliate marketing makes things incredibly simple. All you have to do is get traffic and drive people to a single link. That's it. And that's why I was able to have so much success with YouTube. Because with YouTube, not only can you get traffic, but you actually get paid to get traffic. So you're literally getting paid to market your own products and services. In fact, I've had months where I've made over $70,000 just from AdSense alone. Imagine getting paid almost 7 figures a year to market your own products and services. A lot of people pay 7 figures a year to market their own products and services. I get paid to do it. And the easiest products and services to market are affiliate products because they take care of everything else. The only thing you need to do is just generate traffic and drive the traffic to those links, and you get paid when they buy. And as soon as I realized this and I just focused on one thing, I got really good at that. And then later on down the line, I was able to launch all these other business models. I've been successful in just about all those business models that I failed in before because I got really good at traffic generation and I started making that initial money with affiliate marketing. And I still do it to this day. And it really didn't take long. I started making a full-time income from AdSense and affiliate marketing within just a few months of my YouTube YouTube channel taking off, because it's crazy how quickly you see results once you're guided by the right system. So within just a few months, I was making 10K per month, just as much as I was making at my pharmacy job. I was a pharmacist. And then shortly after that, I was making up to 30K per month. And then eventually I quit my job, was able to scale my channel to 100K per month, and then multiple 6 figures per month. And trust me, I know how tough the affiliate marketing journey is. There are so many obstacles to overcome. What product should I promote? What platform should I use? Why am I not getting any clicks? When will I make my first commission? Perhaps I should try this new opportunity instead. What will my friends and my family think if they see? Can this be a stable income source? I too had all of these questions and doubts, and I'm certain this is why it took me so long to see results initially. Now, mind you, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and if anyone promotes it like that, then they're just wrong. However, with focus and guidance on the right actions, you should see results within months, not years. And it's because I've been there. I've created content endlessly without making money. And then I discovered affiliate marketing and I was able to make money from my content. So the one thing I know that I can 100% do is guide you and give you the no BS path to building a highly profitable affiliate marketing business just like mine. Which brings me to the formula that I mentioned before. The formula is content funnel system plus organic traffic strategy equals sustainable affiliate income. Let me break this down. First is the content funnel system. A content funnel is a strategic system where you create different types of content that guide people through stages of awareness and buying intent. For instance, you've got top of funnel content. I like to call this tofu. And this is broad educational content that attracts a lot of viewers. And usually there's quite a bit of entertainment and inspiration or motivation involved as well. And at this point, people are just learning and researching. Example from my channel would be the best Google certificates or the Google career certificate tier list. Now this gets high views, but it has relatively low conversion. Then you've got middle of funnel. This is problem-focused content for people who know their problem but are exploring solutions. So for instance, people are comparing different approaches or categories of solutions. So an example of this would be how to choose your dream career or how to choose your college degree. It gets moderate views and maybe moderate conversions. Now, bottom of funnel, an example of this would be content where people are ready to buy. People are comparing options or they need final convincing. So is the Google cybersecurity certificate actually worth it? Or maybe one of my interview videos with a student who was able to land their dream job or make money with YouTube. Now, these get fewer views, but they have much higher conversions. Now, the strategy here is top of funnel content builds your audience and authority. Bottom of funnel content converts that audience into buyers. And most people only do one or the other. Smart marketers do both to capture people at every stage of their buying journey. And it's kind of like a funnel because you're moving people from just browsing at the top to ready to buy at the bottom. And most affiliate marketers only focus on one or the other. The smart ones build a complete content funnel that captures people at every stage. Now, second is the organic traffic strategy. These are a series of techniques that you use to get consistent targeted traffic without paying for ads, and it's how to optimize your content for maximum conversions. So let's dive into how this actually works. You understand the content funnel. You know about top, middle, and bottom of funnel content, but how do you actually make this content? Well, here's the system. You need to make videos promoting your affiliate products on YouTube, and you can basically make these almost entirely with AI. Why? Well, there is so much amazing written content out there, but the truth is most people prefer to consume content in audio visual format, aka YouTube videos that they can see and listen to. So all you really have to do is find high quality written information and convert it into video format. And AI makes this easier to do than ever. So let's say you want to make a review, and let's say you want to promote School. I think School is a great online community platform, and I have promoted them before myself. Here's what you would do. First, you find really good sources of written information. Then you put those sources into AI and you have AI make the outline. Then you personalize that outline. You add the stuff that you want to say, interesting things that you want to add, and visuals that you want to include, as well as maybe stories from your own life or anecdotes. Next, you can either present using the outline if you prefer to do that, or you have AI write a word-for-word script. And after that, you just record this script with your video. Now, you can either do this while showing your face, or you can do it faceless. Many of my clients have actually done this faceless. For instance, my client Wiz of Ecom started off faceless, had a lot of success, made it to 7 figures a year, and then he decided to do a face reveal and switch to a personal brand channel. But you can absolutely start off faceless. The key is to have an AI avatar, right? Have an actual animated avatar. And the reason this is important is because even if you're not showing your face, you want people to see you as another human being, because that's going to make them know, like, and trust you more. And that's going to make it much more likely for them to actually consider making a buying decision based off of your advice. Now, it's going to take you maybe 30 minutes to record one video. And the crazy thing is I can make a review video about School and I review that platform. People click on my link and I make money from the commissions. And I actually did make a review video about school. I didn't even expect to make money from it, and I ended up making over $5,000 from it. And the video took almost zero effort for me to make, and it didn't even get that many views. But over time, more and more people watched it, they trickled in, and they ended up trying out school. And you can basically have AI do almost all of the grunt work, writing scripts, for instance, but you can still add your own insights and personalize it. And this is what I like to call the hybrid personal brand, where you have all the upside of using AI, where it doesn't take that much of your time and effort, and you have all the upside of actually having a personal brand where people know, like, and trust you. So you get all the benefits of AI and all the benefits of having a personal brand with almost none of the downsides. And the best thing is, when you make long form content, you can actually repurpose it and syndicate it out to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And you can do all of this with AI too. And there are tools like Opus Clip. It makes your long form content into short form. So it's very easy to do this right now, and all you have to do is click a button and it will generate the content for you. That's the beauty of YouTube. You can automate it. You get the benefits of a personal brand with the hybrid approach, and you can combine AI and personal brand, and then you can syndicate the content again with AI. So you barely have to do any work. Now, I've basically given you my system of how I make money with affiliate marketing, but let's be real here. Creating content might be difficult. It's going to take you time to get used to this, and you're going to need time to find video ideas. And you'll need to figure out how to get views, how to get subscribers, and how to build your following. And it's not going to be an easy journey. But here's what I will say. Wouldn't it be nice if there were someone who could help you out one-on-one? Someone to help you create YouTube content, someone to help you drive sales to your affiliate marketing business. Well, if that sounds interesting to you, then go ahead and attend my completely free workshop Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, down in the description and the pinned comment below. We can help you with your affiliate marketing. We can answer any questions that you have. You'll get to meet me live and ask me questions. And I will be revealing some of the biggest secrets. And for one time only, I'll be giving away a bonus that is an AI tool that's going to make almost all of this incredibly easy for you. So if you're really serious about building an affiliate marketing system, and if you're serious about using content to promote your content, which is by far the best way to make money from affiliate marketing as a beginner, then go ahead and attend that live workshop, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's completely free. You're going to absolutely love it. So check it out. And if you're curious about somebody who is able to implement my systems and make a ton of money, in fact, he made $70,000 from a single affiliate sale, then check out the interview that I did with Sean by clicking right here, who was able to scale to over $500K per month by working with me.